guys, what's up? Showing you the Tascam. Going to give you some ideas of the clarity of the audio. At the moment I'm recording on the Samsung S7 on a little tripod, on a little gimbal, and I'm going to turn on the Tascam and add that audio. We're joined at the moment by Buddha and Teddy and some light filters. So here we go. So if we just take a moment of silence, you can listen to the quality of the camera mic. I can hear some talking close by. I don't know if you're picking it up on the microphone, but I'm sure the Tascam will. Here comes the Tascam. Obviously I can monitor, so I can then increase or decrease the gain, which is very handy because you can't do that on the camera. My Sony 6100 camera you can't monitor on, so that's another reason why an external recorder is very handy. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to include this Tascam recording now. We're recording now through the Tascam, and we'll try and be quiet and see if you can hear the floor level. Some chatting in the garden next door. So with me talking, I'm about 2 feet away from the Tascam at the moment, and I'm about 1 foot away from the camera. So I'll talk, test, test, test. This is on the Tascam. On the Tascam, talking 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this audio is from the inbuilt microphone on the phone camera. Testing, testing on the phone camera. Microphone 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the Tascam 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so quietness, let's do it once more. Quietness through the Tascam. And quietness through the inbuilt microphone. Besides a bit of noise from the fly screen hitting on the door by the side of me. And some wind chimes. The Tascam is, if you ask me, absolutely brilliant. The clarity of audio is fantastic. I've also got a dead cat to put on top of the Tascam when needed. I'm just going to get sorry about that noise. Just going to get the microphone. I've got a mount for the Tascam in my bag somewhere. Mount for the Tascam. Can't find it. I think I've seen it on a previous video. Here it is, I found it. So microphone shock mount for the Tascam. These are well worth it, and for anything else really. That'll go on top of your camera. And the shock mount really does reduce the noise. I've had a little shotgun mic on top of here on a previous video. Little shotgun mic, and you can hear the difference. Just touching the camera, you can hear it without it, but with it on, it takes away a lot of the noise, the vibration. You can obviously put this straight on top of the camera. It's omnidirectional, so you'll pick up sounds all around. That's the good thing with the shotgun mic. You'll pick up sounds from in front, but you don't necessarily need that. One of those on top of the camera on a good mount, and you can hear the audio, you can increase the gain, you know where you are. If you haven't got an audio monitoring socket on your camera, I highly suggest one of these to get your audio right. Okay, just a little bit about the Tascam. I do recommend it. I'll pop a link in the description below. And for one of these, and that was extra as well. In the UK, 2020, this is about £80, this is 14, and this was 10. And I just use an old pair of gaming headphones actually. Over-ear headphones for monitoring with, unless I'm out in the field, and then I've just got some little earbuds. One other thing I have done, if I'm out in the field and I don't want to be connected with wires, I purchased a transmitter. So he pops in there, excuse the noise. I put a little bit of Velcro on the side. So a little Bluetooth audio transmitter. So it transmits from here into this one, and then I plug a pair of headphones into here, and I can be playing around with the camera, not connected to the audio but still monitoring basically. So that's quite a good idea. Don't know what you think. About £10, and you've got a wireless system. I'll pop links in the description. Okay, thanks very much. Bye bye.